family, and welcome to SimpleKidsCrafts.com. My name is Merve, and today we're going to be making Mermaid Princess Barbie hacks. And for this, I'm going to be using a clinging wrap or a plastic wrap, and I'm going to start by wrapping up the legs of my Barbie doll, and this will become the base for the tail. We're going to be making a mermaid tail, and I'm going to be using hot glue all over it. After the hot glue has hardened and dried, then I'm going to dry the part of the tail, and I'm going to put hot glue in it by using a piece of baking paper. After we have finished up our tail, we cut the top portion, and now it's time to paint. And to paint, I'm going to be using a different combination of paints or nail polish, and I'm going to be putting gold, yellow, blue, and a little bit of a shimmery nail polish as well. But you can do whatever you want at home, and you can also use acrylic paint instead of that. For the top, I'm going to be using the same clinging wrap, and I'm going to draw the top, and I'm going to use hot glue. After this, I'm going to cut it, and I am going to cut the little circles that I drew for the top. And this will be like the shells that usually you have in the Little Mermaid. I'm going to use an elastic band for the top. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on each side, and then I'm going to use the little shells that I made earlier. Then I'm going to be using the same combination of colors that I used for the tail, as well as a little bit of gold for the top. And to finish it off, I'm going to be using the shimmery nail polish again. And now we have the whole costume completed for our Barbie doll. I'm going to put some gems at the top. You can do that with ribbon or gems or whatever you want. I just wanted it to be a little bit extra shimmery, and this is the back and the front of the tail of my doll. And you can see it looks almost store-bought, doesn't it? I really love it. And now I'm going to make a throne, and for that I'm going to be using a soap holder, and I'm going to decorate it by using beads and also foam, as well as nail polish. And it was really easy to make. I hope that you guys like this project and that you try it at home, because it's so much fun. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye! And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from my channel.